Vocabulary Quiz 6.3. As I read through this quiz, make sure you're pausing the video so you can respond to each question. Number 1. I'm so jealous that Carly has tickets to the American Idol Live, blank, and I don't know. A. Column. B. Tour. C. Venture. D. Chamber. Number 2. My dog sometimes blank in the dirt to hide his bones. Columns, affords, shallows, burrows. Number 3. The pieces of that broken mirror are pretty blank. Be careful not to cut yourself. Ventured, jagged, shallows, baggage. Number 4. Climbing a mountain will be a new blank for my family. Chamber, arena, baggage, venture. Number 5. The blank in my town is gigantic. It seats 20,000 people. Arena, columns, shallows, venture. 6. Which of these usually appears in a column? A subtraction problem, a soccer ball, a bowl of fruit, a fire truck. Number 7. If you went on a trip and forgot your baggage, you would probably not be able to eat, be on a boat, have nothing to wear, have to go to the hospital. Number 8. Which of the following is an example of the word shallow? A piece of metal with a sharp edge, a pond without much water, a chocolate bunny with nothing inside, a person who was walking behind someone else. Number 9. If Jasmine can afford a watch, that means she could buy a watch, won a free watch, keeps losing her watch, or already owns a watch. Number 10. An echo chamber is most likely a mountain with an echo, a singer who echoes the words of the lead singer, a machine that makes someone's voice echo, a room where you hear loud echoes.